It's a plane. It's a bird. No, it's... Mr. Morales, once again, bringing you our next challenge in our physical education at-home challenge. And today's challenge is going to help us with our strength, with our power, when we're jumping, when we're either playing basketball, going for that long pass in football. Either way, we're focusing today on our jumping squats. And ask yourself this question: are you ready to become the squat champion of your house? Let's go. Okay, all my home warriors, so it's time. But before we can start, you know what time it is. We have to get in the right frame of mind, the right mode. So let's go warrior mode. That's better. Boys and girls, before we start our jumping squat challenge, just make sure that you have a proper form for squats. If you're not sure about that, check the link below for our last challenge. On the description is a link to our squat challenge. Make sure you go over that video first to get the correct form. I'll cover it here quickly, but I'm going to kind of run through it so we don't waste time. So once again, boys and girls, the only difference obviously between a squat and a jumping squat is that we're jumping. And the way we're going to do that is, again, we're going to begin with our feet are shoulder width apart. Our focus, again, we have a bowl of cereal in front of us. We don't want to spill it, so we got to keep it straight. And we're not bending forward. We're actually focusing on sitting back. Now, once we get our squat, we're going to take off. Now, when we're, again, some people like to jump with their hands down, like I like to do this way. Some people like to jump up with their hands up. That's up to you, completely up to you, whatever makes you feel comfortable. But the main thing is the landing. That is the focus of this exercise, to stay safe and do it correctly, is the landing. You never want to land straight like this. You don't want to land with your legs straight, because what happens is you're going to put extra impact on your knees, which can hurt, lead to injury, no good. When you land, we want you to land back into a squat position. And the reason why is by doing that, you're taking away most of the impact on the landing. So it looks something like this. So I'm going to do 1, and then we jump. 2, and we jump. And notice every time, I'm not landing straight, right? I'm landing in a squat. We're not going to begin our jumping squat challenge. We're going to do 3 sets of 10. And again, if you get comfortable with that, you can move on to 4 sets of 10. But you begin with 1 set. Can you do 1 set of 10 perfect jumping squats? Because remember, the focus is always form over flash. Do it correctly. Make sure you're targeting all the muscles. Flash means you're doing it fast. You're not paying attention to what you're doing. You're not really working out the right muscles. And worst part, you can seriously injure yourself. So remember, form over flash. So boys and girls, let's begin our jumping squat challenge. Let's go. So here we go. Shoulder, feet shoulder width apart. Grab our cereal and let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take a little break. If you're doing it correct, your heart's beating a little bit. Maybe a 15, 30-second break in between there. It's up to you. Again, this is a lot more fun if you can find someone in your family to take the challenge with you. Let's begin again. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, good. And if you saw the last landing, I actually kept my legs a little too straight, so I actually felt that last landing. Want to avoid that at all costs. But now we have 20, right? 10, 2 sets. We're going to do 1 more set. And here we go. Deep breath, bowl of cereal, and begin. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, boys and girls. That's now 3 sets of 10 jumping squats. Good job. Now, once you master that, again, you challenge yourself. Maybe you can do 3 sets. Try 1 set. Can you do 1 set of 10 jumping squats? If you can, good. Work up to it if you can't. Get to 2 sets, 3 sets, and then 4 sets. And then here comes the next challenge. Once you're comfortable, either you're doing them every day or every other day, do it in the morning, in the afternoon, whatever is more comfortable for you. But once you're there and you're focused, here's your next challenge. Once a week, again, just once a week, you can try with somebody in your family doing a superset. That means you're gonna do as many jumping squats as possible without stopping. Again, focus is on form, not flash. Don't go fast. How many perfect jumping squats can you do? Once you have the number, write that number down, and then the following week, challenge yourself. Can you do the same amount? Can you do maybe 1 more, 2 more? And again, if you're working out every other day or every day, you're gonna get stronger. So you probably should be able to do a little bit more every week. So boys and girls, that was your challenge for the day. Always remember, stay fit, stay focused, and all this too shall pass. And once again, are you ready to become the jumping squat champion of your household? Let's go get it. Let's go.